gotta save Christmas.
How am I supposed to save? No.
Please.
No.
Don't worry.
Thanks. Excuse me, pork chop.
Okay, Chet.